In this video, we will introduce the shooting range. For example, if we are close to enemy and it can see us, it will be able to shoot at us, but if we get away from it, it won't be able to shoot at us anymore. After this laser, it won't be able to shoot at us anymore because we are not close to it. If we get close to it, again, it will be able to shoot at us, as you can see. This one won't be able to shoot at us if we go more than 300 away from it, but if we get close to it, it will be able to shoot at us again. Just look at it. Oh, you can see it's shooting at us, and if we get away from it again, it won't be able to shoot at us anymore. Beautiful. Let's see how we can do that in this video. Now, for making our enemy much better and more beautiful, let's just go to enemy base. In here, first we want to create a variable so we can tell the enemy to be able to shoot or not, right? So I will create a variable and I will call it CanShoot, right? By default, I want it to be true. We are inside the enemy ship base. Let me close these two for now so you can see the names better. I will close this one. Now you can see the name better. Now, first, we want to check if the CanShoot is true, you can shoot, right? So some of the enemy we don't want it to be able to shoot. So with this we can do that. We use a branch in here, connect the execution pin to it. If the CanShoot was true, it can shoot, right? No, the CanShoot is true. If you make it false and hit compile and run, now you can see it won't be able to shoot at us. Just look at it. We can hit it like this, but it can't shoot at us. The reason is the CanShoot is false. We want to make it true. Next thing, if the enemy is too far away from us, it shouldn't be able to shoot at us, right? No, the CanShoot is true. If we go forward and get really far from the player, you can see it is shooting at us. We don't see it, but it's shooting at us. We don't want that to happen. If it's not close to us, we don't want it to be able to shoot at us, right? So for doing that, there is a node that can calculate distance. So in here, search for distance. We don't want distance to the distance vector, right? No, we can give it the location of our enemy and location of our player, and it will give us the distance. If distance is less than certain value or less than shooting range, it can shoot at us. The enemy can shoot at us, right? The V1 is the first location that we can get the actor location easy, right? This will give us the location of our enemy. And the V2, we can get our player location. For that, we can get the player pawn, and with that, we can get the actor location, right? Just connect it like this, and now it will give us the distance between the enemy and the player. Now, I don't want to check if we can shoot or not with just this. We want to use the AND Boolean. So with this and Boolean, let me connect these two here. We want to check if this was less than certain value, for example, 500, in that case, it can shoot. So what it means? If the distance between the enemy and the player was less than 500 centimeter and the enemy can shoot, it will shoot, right? But if CanShoot was false, it won't be able to shoot. And if the distance between those two was not less than 500, it won't be able to shoot. No, let's just hit compile to check it. Oh, and run. Now if we go, it can shoot at us. No, but if we go far away from it, it won't be able to shoot at us. And now you can see there is no laser because we are far away from it, right? So let me show you the distance so you know it's working fine. In here, I want to use a printer string like that and show the distance just like this, connected to here. Now if you run, let's see what will happen. Right now the distance is 300, and now it can shoot 300 for this one, and 200, 500 for that big one. You can see if I choose one of them, you can see right now it's 230 and it can shoot at us. Again 300, and if we go far away from it, it won't be able to shoot at us because right now it is 1000. Again, you can see it at top left corner. Again 1000. Again, it won't be able to shoot at us. If we go close to it a little bit, right now you can see the distance is get smaller, and if we get close to it, no, it can shoot at us because it is close to us. No, we can just get rid of this printer string just like that because you know it's working fine. Now with that done, we need to promote these to a variable, and I want to call it shooting range, right? By default, I want it to be 500. So if the player is 500 close to us or less than 500, it will be able to shoot at us. But if the distance between the player and the enemy was bigger than 500, enemy won't shoot at us because it can't see us because we are not in its shooting range, right? Now let's just hit compile. I want to open up the ship level 1 in here, open full blueprint, go to class default and change the shooting range. For example, this ship level 1 500 is good. Now for ship level 2, we want to change that to something smaller, for example 300. Now let's just hit compile, save, and now let's just run. And you can see this one can shoot at us. And if we go far away, again, it can shoot at us. If we really get far away from it, it won't be able to shoot at us because we are not in shooting range. But if we get close to it, you can see it can shoot at us. Now this one, if we get really close to it, it will be able to shoot at us. But if we far away from it, it won't be able to shoot at us. Just look at it. No, it can't shoot at us because we are not close to it. Beautiful. That's what we want. We want it to get to be able to shoot at us if it's close to us. You can see? Beautiful.